put an Elementor page so we can edit it. Let's go to all pages and let's just open the about page here with edit with Elementor. Then we find a nice spot to put our accordion. Let's just put it right here underneath John and Steven. Search for accordion on the left, drag and drop it in here. This other one that you saw, go back to there just 1 second. This one that you see here is from the Elementor add-on plugin. This isn't the one that comes with Elementor. This first one I dragged over, it does come with Elementor. And here it is right here. And all you do is click to expand or contract each of the sections. And there you have it. Now you can customize this. You can add more items by clicking on Add Item. You can also duplicate items that you have by clicking on this little icon here. And you can also add media inside of here, aside from just the text. The text you edit by just opening the item. Here's the text, you edit that however you see fit. You can also add images in here by clicking on Add Media. And let's add this one right here. Insert into post. Now we have the rubber ducky. And when we add it, we see this HTML, which is this right here for the caption. That goes away. When I close this accordion and reopen it, that all goes away. But we still have the caption that you may or may not want. To get rid of that, just highlight it on the left here and delete it, and that caption goes away. And now you have media, in this case an image. You can also add video in here if you wanted, and you click on the minus or the plus, whatever the case may be, and it expands and contracts as you click. Super simple. You can use it to make highly interactive pages and make them very engaging. And if you don't have Elementor Pro yet, click the link in the description down below to get yourself a copy. It is an affiliate link, so if you buy through that link, I do get a commission, and it does not make it more expensive for you. It's just that Elementor shares that referral income with me. And that's what helps me keep making these videos for free and putting them up on YouTube so you can get better at WordPress and Elementor. So if you buy through that link down below, I really appreciate it. This Elementor video is part of my Elementor skills playlist where we cover lots of the basics in Elementor to help you get up and running with Elementor as fast as possible. If you want to check out that playlist, it's a link to in the description down below and probably in a card up above somewhere during this video.